Let's face it, the waterproofing industry is something that most homeowners would rather avoid. After all, you buy a home and enjoy its comfort and security and want to believe that all is well, which is great, until it isn't. You see, tens of thousands of homeowners have a looming problem: the potential for dangerous water intrusion into their basement or crawl space. Specifically, the threat of significant rainfall resulting in a wet and leaky basement. Because it's not just about the mess. It's about the foundational damage to your home and the potential health risk lurking in those damp corners. But here's where things get even trickier. Because even when you decide to act and secure your home from water invasion, finding a trustworthy waterproofing company isn't only a challenge, it can feel like a gamble. Hi, I'm Eric Morris, the founder of the Waterproof Group. I've seen the distrust and the hesitation, and I've heard the horror stories of homeowners being let down. That's precisely why I stepped into this arena, not just to expertly fix basements and secure homes from future water intrusion, but also to help people rediscover their peace of mind and save them from companies that overcharge for mediocre work. You see, the Waterproof Group isn't just another waterproofing company. We're the gold standard. And don't just take my word for it, as we've been ranked the #1 contractor on HomeAdvisor multiple times, and we've also received the Best of the Best award in 2021. And to be blunt, we wear our success stories as badges of honor. Thanks to us, thousands of Metro Atlanta homeowners sleep peacefully, knowing that their homes are shielded from water intrusion. And our Google reviews? Check them out for yourself. They echo the same sentiment of trust, reliability, and excellence. But here's the thing. What's most important to you isn't our accolades. It's that we understand the gravity of your situation. You see, we know that a water problem isn't just about the present. It's about ensuring that every corner of your home remains a safe haven for you and your loved ones for not just years, but decades to come. Now, if you're sitting on the fence, wondering if this is just another sales pitch, well, it isn't. It's an invitation. An invitation to experience a service which has proven itself above and beyond our competitors. And it's an invitation to secure your home and peace of mind. Because remember, water damage doesn't always send a warning. It strikes when you least expect it, with the aftermath often being devastating and expensive. But our team here at the Waterproof Group is here to ensure you're forever protected and your home stays dry, safe, and sound. So don't wait for the inevitable. Schedule your free inspection today and ensure your home is stress-proof, problem-proof, and waterproof with the Waterproof Group.